Hello, in this video we'll explain how to install Foxy Tab Store Manager. Foxy Tab Store Manager makes it easier for you to manage orders on WooCommerce stores and also provide you with important statistics and insights about your store that help you improve your business strategies toward success. But before installing the Foxy Tab Store Manager application, you have to do two things. First, create a new account on FoxyTab website. Second, you have to be sure that SQL Server is installed on your computer. You can go to the documentation for more details about the installation process. And here you can download SQL Server directly from this link, or you can go directly to Microsoft website, and then from Microsoft website you can go to this link Express and download. And now you can install SQL Server by following the installation wizard. Just click on Basic and accept and follow this wizard. But now I will not install SQL Server because I installed it previously. Now we'll go to create a new account on FoxyTab. Just click on register and fill the required information. And for your store URL, it's preferable to copy the link directly from the browser. So if you have WooCommerce stores like this, you can copy the link of this store and put it here and then click register. From my dashboard, go to downloads page, and here you can find setup file. Just download it. And now we are ready to install Foxy Tab Store Manager application. Just click and follow the installation wizard. And now Foxy Tab Store Manager is ready for use. Just click finish. Launch Store Manager on your Windows computer. A window will appear to start setting up the program for the first time. Select the SQL Server instance to connect to from the drop-down list. For authentication type, in most cases you will use Windows Authentication to connect the engine. So leave it as it and click Next button. You will get message that the settings saved successfully. Click OK, and next window in the wizard will appear. In this window, the setting for connecting to your online store will be set. In your store link, please provide a valid link to your store. The link must be exactly the same as the link you entered when you registered on our website. So go to your website and copy the link and then paste here. Consumer key and secret key are authentication credentials used in the context of WooCommerce. They provide a secure way for third-party applications to interact with your WooCommerce store's data and perform action on your behalf. Therefore, you must go to the admin panel of your WooCommerce store and create these keys to enter them here. So just go to the admin panel and from WooCommerce setting, and then Advanced. REST API tab, and then click Add Key. Give the key a description for your own reference. Store Manager, for example, and then give the key a read-write permission. Click Generate API Key. The keys will be shown. Copy this key to Store App Manager. This consumer key and consumer secret. You can click the test connection button to verify that the settings are correct. So we have to wait little. Yeah, here we go. Now the connection are setting correctly. Click OK and then click Finish. This will let you finish setting wizard and opening the main Windows application. We are grateful for your viewership and sincerely hope that this video has met your expectation. Thank you for dedicating your valuable time to us.